Okay. So we've done dxy already. We've done dxy already. We've done USD card. So we've done USD CHF. Yeah. We've done USD CHF. We've also done AUD USD. We've done AUD USD. So we also said AUD USD might go for the sell. We've done that. And pound USD too, we've done it. I gave you two scenarios on this one. But I said maybe it might go up a little to still complete the running flat correction, or it can just break from here. But if it breaks from here, wait for an M pattern formation to drop to the downside. Yeah, so I showed you guys that one. Now, I think my battery ran out. I didn't know it was not on charge. So now NZDJPY is still ranging within the zone. Yeah. So I'm still expecting NZDJPY to break to the upside. It has been ranging here for a long time. A, B, C, D. I'm still expecting it to break to the top. Yeah. So in the 1 hour, so the previous swing pattern, the swing structure completed. Yeah. So this could be just internal structures for me here. So I want to see this one. There was change of character here because this one broke here. There was change of character here, came here. So I'm just hoping that this ones are just something that should take us to the top, yeah. So that this one ABC, so that this one here 2, 3, 4, 5 BC, yeah. So maybe this one should just give us. You should just see this one as just a flat correction, and this one. Now, if it breaks below here, then that means that this one might drop before going. But within this zone, then it should still be positive for the buys. Okay. So the buy has really delayed. Okay. So let's look for the other ones like USD JPY. Remember, USD is very strong. Okay, I think we already have a setup on that already. So we are still bullish on this pair. Now I'm expecting this pair to give us a flat pattern formation like this. Okay, maybe form a harmonic pattern and go up. Okay, then drop. Okay. Now, this one should give us a flat pattern before going up. Now, you see, the reason why I think it should go up is that over here, there was a change of character here. There was a change of character here. So it has to retest the other block before any other move, yeah? So I'm still expecting it to go up before, and remember, DXY is bullish. So that means that we are expecting USD too. Now on the lower time frame, so we have a pattern like this. Now we have a pattern forming this way. It could continue going up, yeah, or we can have something like this and still go up. Okay, just follow your dynamic trend line, yeah, to the top. Okay, so this is a string structure, A, B, C. Now it came here. So this is a higher high and a higher low. It's creating another higher high, forming internal structures over here. Okay. So once it gets to the top here, maybe we might see another swing structure break this level, maybe a flat correction. Yeah. Then we can have another internal structures spring up from here. Now, since we have a flat pattern formation ending with 2, which was the swing structure, maybe we might have a zigzag or a triangle over here. So yeah, so anticipate this. But for the meantime, we are expecting the internal structures to be along this range. Okay, the internal structure should be on a dynamic. Once there is like there is a liquidity grab on the trend line, there is trend line liquidity grab, yeah. then you should know that it's changing from internal structure to a swing structure. So once it changes, you have to exit the market and wait for the internal structures. Euro USD. Yesterday, I told you guys that Euro USD is still going down. It giving people were thinking that it would go up to this zone. People were still hoping for the buy. The buy never came. So people were still hoping for the buy. The buy never came. Now, you see, the reason why I realized the buy will not come from here, I saw people making videos on YouTube on this one, thinking that it will buy to the top. Listen, this pattern has broken. There's been a change of character here. So it has to come down to touch the previous order block before the break. That would be around here, yeah? Around here, there is another block, because this was the previous swing before that break. Now, it's forming swing structures over here. There has to be a break, a change of character, and the change of character has to break this swing structure. So if it has to break this swing structure, then that means that we are going to have, now, let me show you guys something. Yeah, I can't be wrong actually, but the mere fact, before we'll see maybe this one forming like a double top to break it down. Now we have to see a swing structure, this swing structure broken, yeah? It should break to a fib level. Then we'll see it pull back, okay, to this previous swing before the break. That's where the other block will be. Then we can have a harmonic pattern. Okay, so maybe we might have this one move all the way from, let me check, maybe we might go and hit the 50 fib, yeah? So that once it breaks to here, we might get a bat pattern, which will take us to the 88.6 fib. And this is a bat pattern. It will also come and hit the previous order block here, yeah? It might come and hit the other block here. So this is what I'm expecting for I even come here, but I'm expecting it here. Okay, so that we'll have something like this. Now, currently, what's happening? It has to break this swing structure to create the B, which is the change of character. Okay, the B is the eye of the harmonic pattern. So currently, what is forming? Oh, currently, what is forming? What is forming is we had an impulsive move creating internal structures. Okay, so we had internal structures with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. Then we had a flat pattern formation, which is an expanded flat. So we need to have internal structures come all the way here. Yeah. So it should form internal structures to the downside. At least it should be able to break this zone here. should be able to break it, so that once it breaks, then we can go all the way up again before we sell. So for now, we are sell for EOUSD. Sell for EOUSD. Anybody JPY. So we had the impulsive move here. We have the swing structure creating a flat correction. So all this one should be seen as internal structures. Okay. So you can just use the 1.0 Fibonacci extension. So that means that when you're selling, you can target this one for now. Yeah. So we can have something like this. Drop. Okay. Now we can drop more further. So now it's gotten here. This was a change of character. So we might have it dropping all the way down to this level. Okay. Might have it drop all the way down to this level. So don't be surprised if we have another leg up before, like this. Okay. And this before the drop. Okay. It's possible, but it will drop for a long time. XAUUSD, I'm still expecting a drop. Still expecting a drop on gold. So far as DXY is still strong, we are still expecting a drop. CHF JPY. I'm still expecting a buy move. So there was a change of character at this zone. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. This was a change of character. So it came to this zone. It has to touch this one. This one can also just be a swing structure. So A, B, C, and continue up. It might not necessarily come down. It might just be a swing structure, which will just break here, come here, and still go up. So for now, it's a buy, okay? At least to the other block here before any other thing. So we are looking for buy opportunity for CHF-JPY. Now expect this one. So we should be expecting, like, once you get a pullback, this is a swing structure. Once you get another swing structure, we buy. If you're able to get another swing structure to these pivot levels, we'll still buy to the top. Okay. So don't join the buy like that. Make sure you get a very good pullback. Then the pullback should come with price action. So maybe something like this. Yeah. Then we can join the buy. Okay. By this one, you see. So I was expecting this buy. I was expecting this sell, and it came to the zone. It can even drop a little. Yeah. Then we'll buy. So I'm buy bias on this. Now the overall trend is this. Now this is a swing structure. It's either is going for another swing to the top, or it will go down. If it will go down, this is a change of character. So it has to go up before dropping. So I'm buy bias on this pair. That means that once I have a flat, okay, so it's rather like this. A, B, C. So for now, what I'll be looking out for, this one can still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can go up here, or it can still come down a little before going. So what I'll do is that I'll just put dynamic trend line level. And wait for the pullback. The pullback, so I'm waiting for the dynamic trend line pull. I break this level, then I can join the buy. Okay. The same with Euro JPY2. I'm still expecting a down move to this level before the buy resumes. I don't expect it to continue buying like that. It should at least break and give us the buy. So I'm still expecting a sell move for a short-term sell move for the buy. Maybe to this pivot point. The overall trend for Euro JPY is this. Now, the goal for Euro JPY, when I pull my fib from X to A, is above 61, so it should hit 78.6 to complete a galley pattern. That means that I'm buying all the way to here. So I'm just looking for buy opportunity on lower time frame to my intended target. So the buy opportunity, I can't just join buy here. It has to give me, because this is more or less like an ending diagonal. So it has to break down. Then I join the buy to the top until my target is hit over here to complete the Gandhi pattern. Okay. Pound JPY. So pound JPY, the overall trend is a buy. Yeah, the overall trend is a buy. From 50, it's coming to 88 to complete a bat pattern formation. But we just don't buy blindly. Okay. Now you have to go to the lower time frame to look for opportunity to buy to the top. The first take profit is the change of character, which is the B. The second take profit is the bat. Now we go to the lower time frame. So we are looking for buy opportunity. Now there's a change of character here. So I'm just hoping that this one will give us something like this. Yeah, like ABC. So then we'll buy to the top. Okay. So that overall it will form ABC, ABC, 5 waves. Or this one can also give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before we get a buy move. So it can also come here before we get a buy move. So I'm just keen. I want to see if I get a pullback and it gives me price action where I have an ABC here, and this one breaks to the top. If it gives me some down move and breaks to the top, then I'll join the buy. But if you continue forming internal structures and break this previous low, then I'll wait for the last leg before I continue buying. So these are the two plan A and plan B. Now overall, it will show this one as flat correction. So it's either this one and go up, or it can one move down here, then it will go up. Okay. Where if it's able to come down here, then it will go up, or it will just move currently from here and to go up. But the overall trend is this part, because the overall trend is a buy. So for now, I'll have to wait for price action to give me that buy. I think I'm done. Any other pair you want us to look at? Any other pair? Any other pair you want us to look at? How about this? Coco. Any other pair you want us to look at? Okay, I think guys are okay with what we've done. Okay, so guys, see you in the next video. Yeah, see you in the next. If you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're on Telegram, join the next forest course so that you'll be able to analyze this way. Bye.